Good morning students. In our last video we have seen the addition and subtraction of mixed fraction. We have seen that how to write down the mixed fraction into improper fraction, how to write down improper fraction into mixed fraction, and how to do the addition and subtraction of the mixed fraction. Okay, it means we are taking last video, practice set number 10. Word problems are remain. So today we are taking that word problems. First and second word problem, third word problem we have to solve yourself. Okay, now if you observe your first word problem, whenever word problems are given from our 5th standard we have learned that whenever word problems are there we have to write down what things are given in that word problem. So write down that things, then after it is easy for you to solve that word problem properly. Okay, so let's pay attention. We are now I am going to read that word problem. Okay, first word problem is there. Suyash bought 2.5 kg of sugar and Avinash bought 3.5 kg. Okay, two boys are given, Suyash and Avinash. Suyash bought 2.5 kg sugar from the greengrocer and Ashish bought 3.5 kg sugar. How much sugar they buy altogether? Altogether it means what? Suyash buy the sugar, Avinash buy the sugar, Ashish buy the sugar. It means how much total they are asking. So we have to do the addition, and remaining example we can read afterwards. First of all we can do the addition of that mixed fraction. So whatever things are there we can write down that things in given form. So Suyash bought, write down first given, that is Suyash bought sugar. How much sugar Suyash has bought? That is 2.5 kg. 2.5 kg. And Ashish bought sugar. That how much sugar has Ashish bought? 3.5 kg. Okay. And question is there, how much sugar did they buy altogether? Suyash also buy the sugar, Ashish also buy the sugar. So how much sugar? It means they have to do the addition. Pay attention properly. 2.5 plus 3.5. Okay, both the sugar, whatever sugar they have been from the greengrocer, we have to do the addition. Now, mixed fraction is there. We have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. In last video, I have told you that in this two number we have to do the addition, and in this two number we have to do the multiplication, and in this two number we have to do the addition. Okay, so write down 2 multiplied by 2 plus 1, and whatever denominator is given in the example, so write that denominator as it is. Same way do here also. In this two number do the multiplication, and here is your addition. So 2 multiplied by 3 plus 1, and whatever denominator is 2. So write down that denominator as it is. Okay, do the multiplication. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 2 3s are 6 plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, we can go to that side. 4 plus 1, that is 5. 5 divided by denominator is 2. So write down that denominator 2 as it is, and 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 divided by 2. So denominator is there, so we can write down that denominator. If you observe, this is your improper fraction now. 5 divided by 2 plus 7 divided by 2. And whenever the denominators are same, so we have to write down that denominator one time. 2 and 2, in both the fraction 2 is same. So write down 2 one time, and numerator do the addition. 5 plus 7. So do the addition. 5 plus 7, our answer comes 12. And divided by 2. If you observe, this is a proper fraction. Why it is proper fraction, teacher? Because 12 divided by 2, and we can easily divide 2 by 12, because in the table of 2, 12 is there. So 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. So 6 kg sugar they buy altogether. Okay, so therefore 6 kg sugar they buy altogether. Now if you observe, remaining half question is there. So read that question. Whatever question is there. If sugar costs 32 rupees per kilo, Always remember I have given you the example of my purse. That is, suppose the one purse cost is 100 rupees. What is the cost of 10 purse? So you can do the multiplication of 100 multiplied by 10. It means what? Whenever you have given the thing price, that is one thing price you have given, and they are asking the many thing price in that at that time they have to do the multiplication. So 1 kg sugar cost is 32 rupees. How much did they spend on the sugar they bought? So 1 kg sugar cost. Okay, whatever things are there, so write down 1 kg sugar cost is 32 rupees. Therefore, how many sugar they have bought? They bought 6 kg sugar. 1 kg sugar we know that 32 rupees. So don't add 32, 32, 32, 32, 32 and 32. 6 times don't do the addition, because whenever if you have assumed that 100 kg sugar, so you cannot able to add this 32 100 times. So at that time we have to do the multiplication. 6 kg sugar is there now. 1 kg sugar cost 32 kg. Therefore 6 kg sugar cost. 6 kg sugar cost. So do the multiplication. 6 multiplied by 32. And we know that how to do the multiplication, that is 32 multiplied by 6. Do this multiplication at your back page. Okay. 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18 plus 1, 19. That is 192. So how much rupees they have spent altogether? Therefore 192 rupees they spent altogether. So Suyash and Avinash is there. So Suyash and Ashish is there. So how many sugar they have bought? Both they have bought 6 kg sugar and 192 rupees they have spent on that sugar. Okay. So it is very easy example. Next, second example also we have to take. So pay attention properly. And word problems are there. So student, please pay attention. Whenever you can understand the word problem properly, so it's easy for you to solve the word problem. Always remember, if you cannot able to understand it, then read that word problem again and again. It means you can easily understand what things we have to do in the word problem. And always I have told you that if you want to take the screenshot, then screen is in front of you. So take the screenshot of that screen. So second example is there. Pay attention properly. Aradhana grows potato into 2/5 part of her garden. Green is 1/3 part and brinjals in the remaining part. So pay attention here. Here is your Aradhana's field. Suppose this is the field. Field means what? You know that this is a field, agriculture field is there. Huh? So she grows 3 things. In first part, she grows potato. Here is her potatoes. Okay. How much potatoes are there? 2/5 part. Okay. So I can write down here 2/5 part potatoes are there. Next one, she can grow greens in 1/3 part. Greens in 1/3 part, and remaining part is there. In that remaining part, that is brinjal. So how much brinjal part they cannot mention. In how much part she grows the brinjal they cannot mention here. So pay attention on how much of her plot did she plant brinjal. It means we have to find out how much part she grows the brinjals. Pay attention, whatever things are there we can write down the given, that is potatoes in Aradhana grows. Aradhana is there, na? Aradhana grows. No, A is not there, na? Aradhana. Aradhana grows potatoes. First, potatoes. How much part she grows the potatoes? That is 2/5 part. So write down 2/5. Next one is there. She grows greens. Greens grows. How much part that greens grows? So greens grows in 1/3 part. And remaining part is brinjal. That part is not mentioned here, so we have to find out. First of all, if you observe her field, potatoes are there and greens are there. It means 2 things are there. So we have to do the addition of that 2 things. Okay. So do the addition, that is potatoes are 2/5 part plus 1/3 part is her greens are there. So do the addition first. Okay. 2/5 plus 1/3. This is also improper fraction. So if you observe and whenever we have to do the addition, we want denominator same. But here denominator is not same, denominator is different. Here is 5 and here is 3. So first of all we have to do the cross multiplication, that is 2 multiplied by 3. Do the cross multiplication, 2 multiplied by 3. And numerator multiplication we can write down in the numerator side, that is 5 multiplied by 3. We can do the addition, so give the sign of addition. And here 5 multiplied by 1, so write down 5 multiplied by 1 and 5 multiplied by 3. Denominator is there, so write down 5 multiplied by 3. Okay, so do the addition. 2 3s are 6, and this is very easy because in 5th standard we have learned that how to write down or how to make that denominator in same form. We have to do the cross multiplication method and we can write down in denominator in this way. 2 3s are 6 and denominator is given 5 3s are 15 plus 5 1s are 5 and do the multiplication here. 5 3s are 15. Okay, if you observe here our denominators are same and do the addition. Whenever denominators are same, so we can write down denominator one time, that is 15 is same, so we are taking 15 one time, and numerator we have to do the addition, that is 6 plus 5. It means 6 plus 5, do the addition 11 upon 15. If you observe, it means what? Potatoes and green, she can put 11 upon 15 part of her field, she can grow potatoes and greens. Okay, so question is there, how much of her plot did he plant brinjals? So brinjals we have to find out. First of all, write down here, therefore she grows potatoes and greens. Potatoes and greens in 11 upon 15 part. It means both things are there. We can find out how much part she can plant, that is potatoes and greens she plant in 11 upon 15 part. So one part is remain. If you observe, this is a single part is there, brinjal. So one part is remain out of one. So 1 upon 1 part she plant the brinjals. So write down here how many parts remaining. Remaining part is 1 upon 1. It means brinjal part is there. Huh? That's why we are taking no fraction is given for the brinjal part. It means 2 upon 5th part she grows the potatoes, 1 upon 3rd part she grows the greens. But brinjal, how much part they have not given. That's why I have shown you the figure in this way. 3 parts are there. First part she grows the potatoes, second part she grows the greens, and third part she grows the brinjals. But brinjal, how much part they cannot show in our example, so we have to take 1 upon 1 part. In single part, it means remaining 1 part is there. So 1 upon 1 part she can grow the brinjals. And how much? We have to do the subtraction, 11 upon 15. Teacher, why you are taking directly 11 upon 15 here? If you observe, only single part is remaining. And suppose, one example I have given to you, that is 10 chocolates are there. Okay, A, B, C students are in front of us. A student I have given 3 chocolates and B students I have given 2 chocolates. So remaining how many chocolates are there? That is remaining chocolates are with me. And how many chocolates I have given to the third boy, that is C student. So what can you do? A student you have given 3 chocolates, B student you have given 2 chocolates. It means you can do the addition. 3 plus 2, that is 5. And remaining student is there, so you can do the subtraction, that is 10 minus 5. So 5 chocolates are remaining, and that 5 chocolates you can given to that remaining student or C student. Same way we have to do here. First part, second part we can do the addition with the help of this. Okay, and remaining part is there. From that remaining part we have to do or we have to subtract this number, that is 11 minus 15. Okay, then do the subtraction. We know that again we have given the fraction 1 upon 1 minus 11 upon 15. All 4 numbers are different. So do cross multiplication method, and it is very easy for us because we are taking now practice set number 9 also, 10 also, and this is our 11 practice set. 10 practice set question number 2 is going on. Okay, so do the cross multiplication method. 15 multiplied by 1. And denominator multiplication we have to do at denominator section, that is 1 multiplied by 15. Negative sign is there in the middle, so give the negative sign. And cross multiplication 1 multiplied by 11, write down here. And denominator section multiplication, write down in denominator sign. Okay, do the multiplication, that is 15 ones are 15. Here is also 15 ones are 15 minus 11 ones are 11 divided by 15 ones are 15. If you observe again, our denominators are same, 15 is same. So write that denominator one time and numerator do the subtraction, 15 minus 11. So if you observe 15 is bigger number, 11 is smaller number, do the subtraction. Our answer is 4 upon 15. Okay, so you get the fraction 4 upon 15. It means your 4 upon 15. The brinjal part is there. In the 4 upon 15 part, she grows the brinjal. It means potato, she grows 2 upon 5 part. Green, she grows 1 upon 3rd part. And we are asking the question, how much of her plot did she plant brinjal? So 4 upon 15 part of her garden, she plants the brinjal. I hope that you can understand it properly. In our practice set number 10, question number first, addition and subtraction is there. If you observe the word problem, here we can do the addition also and subtraction also. So understand this. And if you want to take the screenshot, then take it and or you can solve it your own mind. Next, third question is there. Sandeep example is there. I cannot read that example now. So read that example properly. Whatever things you have to do in that example, so read the half example first. So you can easily understand what things we have to do. Addition we have to do or subtraction we have to do. Read it properly. Solve the example and send the photos on our WhatsApp group. I hope that you can easily understand the example. Okay. So send the photos on our WhatsApp group. Thank you.